Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Arielle Fox, and this week I'm going to be doing a Batch Organics unboxing.
Nothing to show, so far from home. Don't be on breeze, no hope.
Batch Organics popped up on my Instagram a few weeks ago and I keep seeing them popping up ever since. This week I actually decided to order some and see what they're like. They're basically little pots that come with all the ingredients in to make delicious smoothies. The only thing they don't come with is milk unless you order the milk. You can order that separately. I didn't order the milk, I've already got plenty here, so I didn't need any more. I do want to actually try some of their milk, so I'll probably try some next time because they're all vegan friendly and they look really good. The idea of this is you can get different size boxes and you can get them on subscription to come to you each month. You can get a sub box of 6, which is what I've ordered, or you can get a 9 box, or you can get a 10 box. And it's not just smoothies, they have like little breakfast bowl things as well. I get some next time if I really enjoy the cups first. So if you're thinking I don't want to have to do a subscription, and a lot of these sort of companies, they have you locked in, and once you buy one it's really hard to get out. You can just opt in and get just one-off boxes as well, and that's what I've done this time around. I'm actually currently doing a £10 off referral at the moment, so I'll pop a little link for that below. So if you want to go and try it, you can get £10 off. I clicked on one of their ads, so I got a discount, and I think the overall cost was around £15. I don't think that's too much money, and the full price cost isn't too bad either. I can't remember what it is, but I remember it not being too bad. I'll attach it so you can see how much they cost full cost. But if you want to try them, like I said, the links in my description below, and with a little code so you can go in and get £10 off your first order. They come in this box and they are frozen, so to keep them frozen they do come with dry ice, and they've recommended that you just leave it on the counter for it to defrost, and then you can chuck the whole thing in your recycling bin, and everything is recyclable, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to open this up and have a look inside. So this is the first look inside the box. There's a little leaflet over here of, I'm presuming, telling you what to do, and then there's also these little straws, so let's get those out. The first thing that comes inside the box is this little welcome leaflet, and inside here is your code for £10 off. You can refer friends and stuff as well, and every time you refer a friend you also get £10 off, which is absolutely brilliant. Go ahead and use that to get £10 off your first box. I'll put this in the description below and a link to their website too to make it easier. So the next thing in here is all your straws for drinking your delicious drinks. The only thing I will say about these is they're plastic. I'm a little bit disappointed that they're not made out of card or maybe some sort of metal or something. Maybe you could just have one and have a metal one so you can keep reusing it, because I don't like the idea of having plastic, but it is nice to have little straws for each of the pots. There's some crazy insulation stuff in here which I don't know what it is, but that's just protecting all of these. And as you can see in the middle there's some dry ice to stop it from going off and keeping your fruits nice and cold. The first one I've got is this cookie dough smoothie. I got 2 of these because I have a sweet tooth and I'm really looking forward to trying them. Inside here it's got banana, peanuts, almonds, dates, hemp seed, gluten-free oats, Himalayans and Himalayan sea salt. So it is like really healthy ingredients in here anyway, even though it's more of a naughty flavour. I'm really loving this packaging. It is very cute. I love this little pot. On the back of here it's got all the ingredients, so you can see all the ingredients that go in here. Also on the back of here too will tell you how to make it. What you need to do is you can use water, nut milk or normal milk, whatever you prefer. You tip it all into a blender and then you put it back into the cup again. Next one I have is a matcha and kale smoothie. I absolutely love matcha teas, so I am looking forward to trying it cold. I've never had matcha in anything cold before, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. This one contains kale, apple, banana, matcha, cashews, dates and lime. Same as the other one. On the back is all the instructions and stuff, and on the front is this cute little picture. So I've got is exactly the same, so I won't go too much into that one because I don't want to bore you. And this one is greens and ginger smoothie. This one has kale, courgette, avocado, ginger, lime, yacon root and moringa. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's that one. And same again, details on the back of it. And the next one I have is mango and chai spice smoothie. This one looks really delicious. I can't wait to try this one. I am obsessed with chai and chai tea, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. The last one I got is exactly the same again, matcha and chai smoothie. I can try loads of different flavours, but these ones appealed the most, so I just bought 2 of the ones that I thought I'd like best instead. And I'm really looking forward to trying them. I realised I haven't showed you inside of them, so I'm going to show you inside of them quickly before I go off and make one. And this is what they look like inside. It's all your ingredients from chopped up bread. So I'm going to go off and make this delicious one, and I'll be back to let you know how I get on. Back, and I have my smoothie. It was so easy to do, just simply blend away. I filled it up with almond milk all the way to the top, and then I tipped it into my blender and blended it all up. I was planning on taking you guys with me, but I've only got a hand blender and a weird little cup thing, and it always makes a mess, and it always goes all over me and everywhere, so I was thinking it's just going to go all over my camera and make a mess, and it did go everywhere, so I'm glad I didn't take you guys with me. I was really tempted to take a sip of it in the kitchen, but I want to get my first reaction on camera so you can see my first reaction to it as well. That is really nice. It might have looked like it wasn't, but it was really good. Because I've used my hand blender, it's a little bit chewy still because it hasn't completely blended all the oats. But I actually quite like that. That's really nice that it has like that extra texture to it, so I'm not mad at that, and I'm going to keep it like that rather than blending it again. It's really delicious. It does really taste like cookie dough, even though it doesn't have like cookie bits in it or anything. So my plan for these is to have them for breakfast each day because I don't have enough fruit in my diet. I try my hardest, but I still don't eat enough, and I really struggle to have breakfast. I've never really liked having breakfast. I'm always so tired. I'm not a morning person at all. I'm definitely a night out, and like any time before about 11:30ish I don't want to be eating. I need to, and I do feel better if I do like later on in the day, but if I eat straight away in the morning I don't enjoy it, and it makes me feel a bit sick. Also on top of that, like I start to hate the food that I'm having in the morning, so I'm hoping that with these they'll be a good substitute and I can still have some healthy stuff in the morning, and they are really delicious and I'm really excited to try all of them. So maybe it will change my mindset to breakfast. Obviously I'm not going to sit here and try every flavour now. I'm going to try and take a photo each day of the smoothies and do a little quick review and thoughts and feelings on the taste and stuff, and put them on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram you can go and see that. That's the end of my Batch Organics review. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I really hope it's offered you a little bit of insight into the product. We'll definitely be ordering more of these, and I will also try the milk the next time around as well, because they've got tiger nut milk I think it is, and I really want to try that. If you are still here, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow my channel at the moment, and it probably doesn't help on not posting enough, but I do try to post every single week, and hopefully I can up it to twice a week. That is my plan, but do not hold me to that. It might not happen. Thank you again for watching my video, and I hope to see you next week.